తమిళనాడులోని కాట్పాడి నుంచి వేలూరు మధ్య వందే భారత్ ట్రైన్లో ప్రయాణించారు తెలంగాణ మాజీ గవర్నర్ తమిళసై. అనంతరం మాట్లాడిన ఆమె ప్రధాని మోదీ దేశాన్ని ప్రగతి పథంలో నడిపిస్తున్నారని తెలిపారు. వందే భారత్లో ప్రయాణం చాలా బాగుందని తెలిపారు. ప్రధాని మోదీ నినాదం అభివృద్ధి అయితే ప్రతిపక్షాలది విభజించు పాలించులాగా వ్యవహరిస్తున్నారని తమిళసై ఆగ్రహం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. కేంద్రంలో మూడోసారి వచ్చేది బీజేపీ ప్రభుత్వమే అని ఆమె ధీమా వ్యక్తం చేశారు. సౌత్ చెన్నైలో బీజేపీ జెండా ఎగురవేస్తామని తమిళసై ధీమా వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
I have traveled by Vande Bharat train. I enjoyed the comfort, and all the people who were traveling with me, they were going to Bangalore and other stations, and they were telling, because we used to go in the flight, but now we are with the family, with the children, we are enjoying the comfort of this train. Our Honorable Prime Minister transformed the old institutions. For example, radio, almost people switched over to television. But he spoke Man Ki Baat and people started using the traditional radio. And another thing, post office. Most of the post offices were about to close during the Congress regime. But he made all the good schemes through post office. And now post office are the old institution of post office revived. And now train. People were almost thinking that train will be delayed. We cannot move fast. But fast train, another thing, bullet train is going to be functioned from Chennai to Mysore. So this is the development. Our Honorable Prime Minister is facing this election on development, but the opponents are facing this election on division, divisive politics. Our Honorable Prime Minister is development politics. Opponents are divisive politics. People very well understand, because each and every family has enjoyed the good schemes of our Honorable Prime Minister. Whether it is Ayushman Bharat, whether it is Jal Shakti Mission, whether it is Jan Aushadhi shops, whatever may be the scheme. So people are much oriented towards our Honorable Prime Minister's development schemes. So people are very happy. Even in the train, people are lauding our Honorable Prime Minister. I have travelled by Vande Bharat train.